Do you want to detoxify your body naturally and get rid of toxins? We all detox from time to time, but have you ever wondered how to make this process as efficient and quick as possible? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. But first, you can support me by liking and subscribing to the channel for similar content. Stay tuned. Grapefruit. Grapefruit stands out with its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties. These qualities help boost the immune system and protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. Quick info. Free radicals are reactive and highly harmful molecules. Grapefruit aids the liver in processing toxins more effectively, supporting liver health. Additionally, thanks to its flavonoids, it improves blood circulation and protects heart health. Grapefruit's low glycemic index helps balance blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full for longer. It is an ideal fruit for weight loss. Grapefruit also speeds up metabolism, promoting fat burning and contributing to the weight loss process. Pineapple. Pineapple is known for the enzyme bromelain, which facilitates digestion and reduces inflammation. This enzyme helps proteins digest more easily and supports intestinal health. Pineapple's anti-inflammatory properties relieve joint pain and reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Additionally, the high manganese content supports bone health and contributes to energy production. The natural sugars in pineapple boost energy levels, while its high water content hydrates the body and helps eliminate toxins through water circulation. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. Pomegranate. Pomegranate prevents cell damage and detoxifies the body from free radicals with its powerful antioxidants, punicolagens, and anthocyanins. Pomegranate juice improves liver function and cleanses the blood. The polyphenols found in pomegranate protect heart health and help lower blood pressure. There is extensive research on pomegranate's ability to reduce blood pressure, including a study from Canada showing that treatment with pomegranate polyphenols reduces blood pressure. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation and contribute to the prevention of chronic diseases. Pomegranate also improves skin health, reduces signs of aging, and gives the skin a natural glow. Its high fiber content regulates digestion and increases bowel movements. Celery. Celery, as a natural diuretic, helps the kidneys expel toxins faster. Its high water content supports the body's water intake. The phytochemicals in celery protect liver health and speed up detoxification processes. Additionally, celery is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Celery stalks, being low in calories, aid in weight control and are often preferred in diets. Its antioxidant content protects cells from the damage caused by free radicals and supports overall health. Celery's fiber content also improves intestinal health and promotes regular bowel movements. Cabbage. Cabbage contains compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds enhance the liver's detoxification enzymes, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Cabbage is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. Cabbage also contains vitamin K, which supports bone health and aids in blood clotting. Being high in fiber, cabbage regulates digestion and improves intestinal health. Fermented cabbage is rich in probiotics, balancing gut flora and facilitating digestion. Cabbage juice supports the detoxification process by accelerating the elimination of toxins. It is an essential part of a good diet. Cucumber. Cucumber, with its high water content, helps meet daily water needs and eliminate toxins. Its silica content supports skin health, providing elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Cucumber, as a natural diuretic, supports kidney function and helps eliminate excess water from the body. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, cucumber strengthens the immune system and reduces inflammation. Additionally, cucumber's alkaline nature helps maintain the body's pH balance and neutralizes an acidic environment. Its low-calorie content makes it an ideal food for weight control. Cucumber also reduces swelling and alleviates dark circles under the eyes. Broccoli. Broccoli is known as a powerful detoxifier and plays a significant role in cleansing the body of harmful substances. This green vegetable is rich in glucosinolates, flavonoids, and antioxidants. Glucosinolates convert into active detoxification enzymes in the body, helping the liver process toxins more effectively. Additionally, broccoli contains high levels of vitamin C and fiber, which are essential in a good detox diet and also strengthen the immune system and improve digestion. Its sulforaphane content reduces cancer risk due to its antioxidant properties. Broccoli is also rich in vitamin K and calcium, supporting bone health. When consumed regularly, broccoli accelerates the body's natural healing process and improves overall health. These 7 foods help detoxify your body naturally and effectively, but the benefits are not limited to these. To learn more, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and join us. When consumed regularly, these foods support your body's natural detoxification processes and improve overall health. Besides healthy eating, drinking plenty of water, regular exercise, and maintaining a calorie balance are some of the most important factors in this detox process.